Hi. You want to come here? Come here. Stay. All right, we got one.
Oh, goodness.
We got one more to go in this vast wilderness. Here. Now we just gotta find the Americana, the fuzzy face. We got her. She went to my neighbors. They have a rooster. So I think she heard the rooster and she went to them. So she's had quite an adventure today. She's climbed trees. Come on, get down. She came down out of the trees and there were feathers on the other side of the fence. So we don't know if she got hurt at all, but she seems to be fine. So, welcome home. Hi girls, look who I found. Everybody's in before dark. Good job. All chickens are accounted for.